Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Flodesk, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Flodesk landing page share link? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need the share link to one of your landing pages in Flodesk anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to gather your customers' information. But once you've created your landing page, you need the link to be able to share it to your Facebook or to your Instagram or on your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get the share link to one of your landing pages or your lead forms, up here on the top, you're going to click on Forms. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the lead pages you've created. Now just note that some of the landing pages you can only share with an embed HTML. Some of them you can share with a link. So for example, this one right here created a link. So all you're going to do is hover over it. Once you do that, you're going to see these three dots. Click on there. And once you do that, you're going to click on this button here, Get Form Link. Okay, so now it creates the link, so you can go ahead and copy it. Now I can go ahead and paste it into a Facebook page, into an Instagram post, or wherever you normally share your landing page links. Now this one right here is embed only. So if you're going to be embedding it into a website, you're going to click on the three dots, and then you can see there's no share link here, but you can get the embed code right here. Okay, so here is the embed code. So you can go ahead and just copy that, and then you can go ahead and give it to your web developer, and they can implement that onto your website. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find the share link to your Flodesk lead capture form, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.